So the agency that I worked for was Visiting Angels, and their purpose is to provide home care to people who aren't really wanting to go into a nursing home. So they had me volunteering at Old Cheney Rehab because I, as a volunteer, cannot go into people's homes. So, a way that I contributed to the organization was to go to Old Cheney Rehab and just provide companionship to the residents that are there and make sure to do what the activities director asked me to do, such as I called out bingo, I helped them with their therapy, um, I did a lot of different things. Some examples and stories would be, again, I called out bingo, and then for one day we had ice cream out on the patio, and a story about that is that one of the residents there kept repeating the same address over and over again, and then I found out that he was trying to tell us that he wanted to go to Target, so that was actually pretty funny. And then I just, with therapy, I played Uno with a lot of the residents because they had strokes, so it's more of to get their mind like thinking again and working. The service project contributed to my learning because a lot of the things that I read in the book or that we did any sort of homework on, I actually thought about while I was volunteering and made it so that I actually thought about that while I was volunteering and making it happen. An evaluation of my experience was that it was actually very beneficial. I did well with learning how to talk to people, I guess is a good way to put it. Before, I wasn't very confident in meeting new people and just automatically having a conversation with them, but now I am confident in doing that. Something I could have done better was scheduling with the activities director. Sometimes I would just come in and she wouldn't even really know that I was coming, so that was kind of a downfall of mine. And I would recommend this service site to somebody else because it's very beneficial to see the residents smile and laugh when they haven't done that in a long time. I heard from the activities director multiple times, wow, that's the first time I've seen her laugh, or that's the first time I've seen him smile in months. So that was something really rewarding for me.